First of all, welcome in this lecture of the BCMA2. Can anybody tell me which part we have taken in the previous lecture?
Low blower and comparison between reciprocating compressor and rotary compressor.
Absolutely correct. I think you have not written the difference between or comparison between rotary compressor and reciprocating compressor.
Yes, sir.
So I request you to write it down, because this comparison is very much important. So here it is. Before starting the concept turbine, everybody must know about the comparison between reciprocating and rotary compressor. Okay, the only slight change is here you need to write the large discharge 300 meter cube. Okay, so I request you, without wasting much of time, you need to write it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready with your writing instrument?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Your time starts now. Write it fast. The all part related with the comparison we have discussed in the previous lecture. And today we are going to move towards the compressor. After compressor, turbine. Okay. So turbine is the last part of our unit, third part. And we are going to concentrate on hydraulic turbine. Actually, turbine means janitra. Turbine is going to generate the electricity, and that electricity is utilized for the day-to-day purpose. Now there are mainly 2 to 3 types of the turbine. First one is the hydraulic turbine. Second one is the steam turbine. And third one, the turbine which we are running on the nuclear energy. Okay. Hydraulic turbine means where we are using the power of the stored water. In Marathi, we are calling such hydraulic turbines as a Jala Vidyut. Have you heard this particular word sometime before?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Jala Vidyut Kendra. Okay. Can you know where such kind of the hydraulic turbines are available in our Maharashtra? Where such hydraulic turbines are available?
Koyna River.
Yes, Koyna River. That is one of the famous spot where we are generating electricity with the help of hydraulic energy. Second is, anybody is from Marathwada? Jayakwadi Dam is there.
Yes, sir.
And in our Solapur district, which dam is there?
Ujni.
Yes, Ujni region. Okay. So Ujni Dam is there. So such kind of the hydraulic turbines most of the time situated near the dam, because you know that lot of water is available in the reservoir of the dam. धरणाचं जे पाण्याचा जो साठा असतो तिथं फार मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये पाणी उपलब्ध असतं. And we are using such kind of the water to generate the hydraulic energy through it. अशा या पाण्यापासून आपण मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये विपुल प्रमाणामध्ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट करू शकतो. And hydraulic turbine is that particular machine which is generating the electricity from the hydraulic energy. Hydraulic turbine एक असं मशीन आहे जे त्या पाण्याच्या स्त्रोतापासून काय करतं तर मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये विद्युत निर्मिती करतं. ओके. So let us start with the definition of the hydraulic turbine. Hydraulic turbine is a machine which converts the pressure and kinetic energy of water called hydraulic energy into mechanical energy. And this mechanical energy is further converted to electric energy by an electric generator. Means if you will put this particular thing in the form of the equation, you can say that this particular hydraulic energy is nothing but combination of pressure and kinetic energy. This particular energy is further converted into mechanical energy, and this mechanical energy further converted into the electrical energy. And this electrical energy is utilized for our day-to-day purpose. In our home, in agriculture, in industry, everywhere, electricity is utilized. Means, one thing you will have to keep in your mind is hydraulic energy is nothing but the combination of pressure and kinetic energy. हायड्रॉलिक एनर्जी काय आहे? कॉम्बिनेशन कशाचं आहे? प्रेशर आणि कायनेटिक एनर्जीचं कॉम्बिनेशन आहे. And that hydraulic energy is converted into mechanical energy. Mechanical energy means mechanical motions are going to be generated. Mechanical work is going to be carried out. And that work is providing us the electrical energy. Okay. That is the definition of the hydraulic turbine. Now, I want to ask you about the steam turbine. Steam turbine means what? Steam turbine means where instead of water, steam of the water is utilized to produce the mechanical energy. Hydraulic energy वापरायच्या ऐवजी तिथं उष्णतेचा वापर करून पाण्याचं रूपांतर वाफेमध्ये केलं जातं आणि त्या वाफेच्या म्हणजेच बाष्पशक्तीच्या बळावर तुमचं जनरेटर जे आहे ते रन केलं जातं. कॅन यू टेल मी द नेम्स ऑफ सच थर्मल पॉवर प्लांट? त्याला औष्णिक ऊर्जा केंद्र किंवा औष्णिक विद्युत केंद्र असं म्हणतात. कॅन यू टेल मी वेअर सच थर्मल पॉवर प्लांट्स आर सिच्युएटेड इन महाराष्ट्र? It is more in the Vidarbha region and Marathwada region.
Chandrapur.
Yes, Koradi power plant is there. Chandrapur, Koradi. Then next is Parali.
Tarapur.
No, Tarapur is not the steam turbine. It is the source of the atomic energy electricity. Okay. Atomic energy power plant is situated in the Tarapur. Parali, do you know the name Parali? Yes, in Bid district there is a thermal power plant, and many students are from the Solapur district. So you must know in the Solapur also National Thermal Power Corporation's one unit is there near Hodgi.
Bhaloni, sir.
No, not near Bhaloni. NTPC plant is there in the Solapur. Okay, in near Solapur city there is one station, Hodgi station, and near that Hodgi station in the Ahirwadi region that particular power plant is situated. Let it be, that is the additional information to just know the difference. And I was talking about atomic energy power plant, and that atomic energy power plant is situated near Tarapur. Okay, one student have already answered this. So good, you are knowing about the power plants, but we are not going to concentrate on the steam power plant or the atomic energy power plant. We are here going to concentrate on only hydraulic turbines, one machine which is used in hydroelectric power plant. या हायड्रोइलेक्ट्रिक पॉवर प्लांट मध्ये जी मशीन यूज केली जाते इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस करण्यासाठी, that machine is known as the hydraulic turbine, where pressure and kinetic energy is utilized, and that pressure and kinetic energy of the water, which is known as the hydraulic energy, is converted into mechanical energy, and then it will be converted into electrical energy in the further state. Okay. Then hydraulic turbines are efficient. Why we are preferring the hydraulic turbine? आपण का वापरायचं hydraulic turbine? Number one, these hydraulic turbines are very efficient. Efficient means with less input, it can give more output. Efficiency म्हणजे काय? ओके, आउटपुट किती आहे आणि इनपुट किती आहे, ह्याचा जो रेशो असतो त्याला आपण म्हणतो इफिशियन्सी. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So such hydraulic turbines are very efficient, means we need to provide less energy and it will provide, or it will taken out the more energy out of it. Okay, very low losses are there. Okay, then next point is there is a very low wear and tear. Low wear and tear means whatever instruments or whatever machine parts you are going to use in this hydroelectric power plant or in hydraulic turbine, there is a very less problems are going to be occur with the its component. त्याचे जे component आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये घर्षणामुळे किंवा खराब होण्यामुळे त्या गोष्टी खराब होण्याचं जे प्रमाण आहे ते अत्यंत कमी आहे. नेक्स्ट इज ease फॉर मेंटेनन्स. आता कमी पार्ट खराब होत असल्यामुळं आणि फार कमी वेळा खराब होत असल्यामुळं त्याचा जो मेंटेनन्स आहे, त्याला रिपेरी करणं जे आहे, त्याची देखभाल करणं जे आहे, त्याची दुरुस्ती करणं जे आहे ते अत्यंत सुलभ आहे, अत्यंत सोपं आहे. and that plant is very big, so you can reach to every part of this particular turbine and you can replace it if that particular part is get damaged. हा प्लांट मोठा असल्यामुळे तुम्हाला इझिली पटकनी कुठं प्रॉब्लेम आहे तो कळतो. तो प्रॉब्लेम डिटेक्ट झाल्यानंतर तुम्ही तिथं जाऊन त्या ठिकाणी तो जो पार्ट आहे तो रिप्लेस करून किंवा रिपेरी करून प्लांट आहे तसा पूर्ववत व्यवस्थित सुरू करू शकता. And the next part is, which is not mentioned over here, is it gives low pollution. Now in hydraulic turbine we are using water from the dam and we are not going to perform any combustion process in it. आपण त्याच्यामध्ये काही जाळत नाही आहोत. स्टीम पॉवर प्लांट मध्ये आपल्याला कोळसा मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये बर्न करावा लागतो, त्यामुळे मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये वायू प्रदूषण होतं. ॲटॉमिक एनर्जी मध्ये तुम्हाला जे ॲटॉमिक मटेरियल असतं त्याचं फ्युजन किंवा फिजन करावं लागतं, ज्याच्यामध्ये अनेक एन्व्हायरमेंटला धोका क्रिएट करणारे असे रेडिओ ऍक्टिव्ह मटेरियल्स त्याच्यामधून आउट होऊ शकतात. बट इन केस ऑफ हायड्रॉलिक टर्बाइन देर आर नो सच काइंड ऑफ द पोल्युशन, कारण फक्त पाणी वरनं वाहणार आहे आणि वाहत्या पाण्यापासून कुठेतरी निसर्ग त्याच्यामध्ये पोल्युशन झालंय असं आतापर्यंत कुठेही ऑब्झर्व झालेलं नाहीये. सो दॅट hydraulic turbine is a clean source of energy. It is very clean source of energy, like a solar energy. Okay, there is no any harmful thing to the environment when we are going to construct or when we are going to use such kind of the hydraulic turbine. But there is a last point, and that last point is it has very high capital cost. High capital cost means to generate such kind of the power plant with the hydraulic turbine, you will have to go for lot of investment in the form of money. Okay, का बरं असं म्हटलं असेल? Can we brainstorm on this particular point? Why hydraulic turbine or hydraulic energy power plant is having high capital cost? Can you think on it and can you answer me?
Because its construction requires a lot of money.
Yes, its construction require lot of money. Its construction means we need to construct the dam to generate such a big water reservoir. आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, एवढ्या मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये पाणी साठवून ठेवण्यासाठी फार मोठ्या पद्धतीचं असं धरण बांधावं लागेल. आणि धरण बांधावं किंवा धरण बांधणं ही काय एवढी सोपी गोष्ट आहे का, की आता वाटलं कुठेही धरण बांधायचं म्हणून बांधलं, असं चालतं का?
नो सर.
नो. आता आपल्या कॉलेजला तुम्ही आलात सगळे कॉलेजला?
येस सर.
तुम्ही पाहिलं असेल कॉलेज चढावर आहे, बरोबर आहे?
येस सर.
आणि हॉस्टेलचा जो भाग आहे तो उतारावर आहे, बरोबर आहे?
येस सर.
मग पावसाचं जे पडलेलं पाणी आहे ते चढावरून उताराकडे वाहतं, हे सगळ्यांनीच पाहिलेलं आहे. मग आता उद्या कोण म्हणू शकेल का की चला जिथं उतार आहे तिथं आपण स्वेरी कॉलेज जवळ एक धरण बांधू? हसलात ना तुम्ही सगळे?
येस सर.
तर मला सांगा, असं कुठेही पाणी जमा होतं किंवा उतार आहे म्हणून धरण बांधून चालतं का?
नो सर.
नो
No.
सर.
First requirement is that you need to check the proper site to construct the dam. आता सिव्हिल इंजिनिअरिंगचा शब्द आला पहा, साइट. ओके, एक प्रॉपर लोकेशन पाहिजे तुम्हाला डॅम बांधण्यासाठी. आणि ते लोकेशन कसं पाहिजे की त्या लोकेशनला सर्व आजूबाजूनी पाणी जमा होत असलं पाहिजे आणि ते पाणी पुढं वाहतं असलं पाहिजे. नुसतं सगळ्या बाजूनी पाणी जमा होत आहे तिथं तलाव होऊन राहिलाय, व्हॉट इज इट्स यूज? इट हॅज नो यूज. अँड water should be available in ample amount at that particular site. म्हणजे तिथून जमा होणारं जे पाणी आहे ते पाणी पुरेशा प्रमाणामध्ये हवं की जे साठवता यायला पाहिजे. and then at that particular site you can construct the dam. बरं, एकदा साइट प्रॉपर सिलेक्ट झाली की विषय संपला का? नो. you need to acquire the land over there. आता समजा मला एखादी साइट एखाद्या ठिकाणी मला मिळाली तर लगेचच मी तिथं धरण बांधायला घेऊ शकतो का? तर नाही, ती कुणाच्या तरी मालकीची असणार आहे. एम आय करेक्ट ऑर नॉट?
येस सर.
Yeah. So I need to purchase from them. And if I want to need to purchase it from them, then I will have to provide the money to those people. Number two, once you have constructed the dam, then water is going to be get collected in the reservoir of that dam. म्हणजे आता साधी गोष्ट आहे की समजा मी अशा पद्धतीचं एखादं धरण बांधलं. I will construct on the page. Just a minute.
It's called backwater.
Yes. What? Suppose such kind of the wall I have constructed to collect the water. Okay. Now you will have to tell me that at the left side of this particular dam, water is going to be get collected here. Am I correct or not?
Yes. Yes sir.
आणि जेव्हा या ठिकाणी पाणी जमा होईल त्यावेळी काय होणार आहे की या धरणाच्या पाठीमागचा जो काही परिसर आहे त्या सगळ्यांमध्ये तिथं पाणी जमा होणार आहे, which is known as the backwater of the dam. Am I correct?
Yes.
sir.
Yes
And
sir.
you might have heard that when Ujni is constructed, then many villages, many places, many agricultural lands are there under the water. म्हणजे ज्यावेळी हे धरण बांधलं त्यावेळी त्याचं जे साठवलेलं पाणी होतं त्या साठा झालेल्या पाण्याच्या खाली कितीतरी गावं, कितीतरी शेती, कितीतरी वस्त्या या पाण्याखाली गेलेल्या आहेत. Am I correct?
Yes sir.
So you need to bring those people from that particular place and you will have to make the necessary arrangement for them. Am I correct or not?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
त्यांना आपण धरण विस्थापित असं म्हणतो. आता सुद्धा उजनीच्या खाली जे पळसदेव वगैरे जी काही गावं होती ती उजनीच्या पाण्याखाली गेली उजनी धरण बांधल्यानंतर. आणि कधी कधी उजनीचं पाणी उन्हाळ्याच्या दिवसामध्ये कमी झाल्यानंतर त्या गावाचे राहिलेले जे अवशेष आहेत ते अवशेष वर येत असतात. मीन्स इफ यू वॉन्ट टू कन्स्ट्रक्ट अ डॅम then lot of that land is required and you need to pay money to the owner of those lands and you will have to make the different necessary arrangement, alternative arrangement for them, and that's why you need to spend lot of money. Okay, so when you are going to decide that yes we are going to construct a dam, means you should be ready with lot of money and you will have to satisfy all the peoples who will be affected due to this construction of the dam, and in that process lot of money has to be paid. Okay, and that's why such kind of the hydraulic turbine power plant or such hydraulic turbine site will cost very very high. Have you understood it?
Yes, sir.
Why
Yes, sir. Yes.
hydraulic turbines are costly or hydraulic turbine power plants are costly? Are you know now the reason behind it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. So it should be also notable. Why we will have to think on the capital cost? Because as an engineer you must be in a position to judge whether whatever project you are doing that project is feasible or not feasible. Okay, म्हणजे इंजिनियर म्हणून काम करत असताना एखादा प्रोजेक्ट तुम्ही करताय तर तो फायद्याचा आहे का तोट्याचा आहे याचा विचार करत असताना यू नीड टू कॉन्सन्ट्रेट ऑन इकॉनॉमिकल ऍस्पेक्ट ऑल्सो, की वेदर construction of such and such thing is feasible economically or not. And that's why though hydraulic turbines are having less pollution, though hydraulic turbines are efficient, which has very low wear and tear, easy for maintenance, but still we have only few hydroelectric power plants situated in our state, and its reason is we require a proper site to construct hydraulic turbine and it takes lot of capital cost. Capital cost म्हणजे ती निर्माण करण्यासाठी लागणारा पैसा किंवा संपत्ती ती फार विपुल प्रमाणात लागते. And that's why we can see that in our region there is very low sources of hydraulic turbine. Next thing is water is not available ample amount in the reservoir of the dam for 365 days. मला सांगा 365 दिवस आपल्याकडं धरणामध्ये फुल पाणी आहे अशी सिच्युएशन असते का?
No.
No.
sir.
आपण पाहतो की उन्हाळ्याच्या सुरुवातीला at the summer days our water level of the dam is reaching towards the minus. Am I correct?
Yes.
पाण्याचं जे प्रमाण आहे धरणामधलं ते घटत असतं. There are many reasons. You need to provide the water for the irrigation, and after the rainy days there is no water, so almost 2 months raining is there and remaining 10 months we need to use that water for our daily many applications. Okay, so the situation is in such kind of the hydroelectric power plant water is not available 365 days in ample amount. Okay, हिमालयीन ज्या नद्या आहेत उत्तरेमध्ये तर त्या उत्तरेमधल्या नद्यांमध्ये विपुल प्रमाणामध्ये पाणी असतं. कारण काय की उन्हाळ्याच्या दिवसामध्ये वगैरे तिथं बर्फ वितळतो त्याचं पाणी होतं ते पाणी खाली येतं आणि पावसाळ्याच्या दिवसामध्ये पावसाचं पाणी तिथं पडत असतं. त्यामुळं whatever dams are situated at the north zone of the India, they are having water available in ample amount in whole year. But this is not the case with the Maharashtra or the Karnataka region. Okay, हे महाराष्ट्र किंवा कर्नाटक मध्ये असं वातावरण नाहीये. We are having only almost 2 months rain Okay, and we will have to use that water for remaining 10 months. And many times in the summer days, water level is decreasing and it is reaching towards the negative level. And that's why we cannot run hydraulic turbine in our region 24/7 whole year. पूर्ण वर्षामध्ये आपण 24/7 हायड्रॉलिक टर्बाइन 100% वापरू शकत नाही. That is the fact. And that's why due to that high capital cost and no availability of water all 365 days, या दोन reason मुळे we are moving towards thermal power. We are moving towards atomic energy power. Are you clear with it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So I
Yes.
request you to write down the definition and these points about the introduction of hydraulic turbine. Give the heading hydraulic turbine. Hydraulic turbine. Written?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hydraulic turbine. Hydraulic turbine. Hydraulic turbine. Hydraulic turbine is a machine. Hydraulic turbine is a machine which converts the pressure and kinetic energy, of water called hydraulic energy into mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is further converted into electric energy by an electric generator, by an electric generator. Next point. Hydraulic turbines are efficient. Hydraulic turbines are efficient. Hydraulic turbines are efficient. Next is low wear and tear. Low wear and tear. Next is ease for maintenance. Next is high capital cost. And next is pollution free, pollution free, pollution free, pollution free. Have you written it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. From boys side, somebody else once again read the thing about the introduction of hydraulic turbine.
Hydraulic turbine is a machine which converts the pressure and kinetic energy of water called hydraulic energy into mechanical energy.
Good. Go ahead.
Mechanical energy is further converted into electrical energy by an electrical generator.
Good.
Hydraulic turbines are efficient,
Hmm.
low wear and tear,
Hmm.
is for maintenance, high capital cost, and pollution free.
Yes, good. Very nice. You have written it. Friends, let us move towards the next concept is nothing but classification of hydraulic turbine. And here you can see that there are 3 types of the classification is available as far as this hydraulic turbine is going to be concerned. One is according to head and discharge of water available. See, there is a dam. Okay, this is the construction of suppose a dam, and water is available over here, and there are different levels of water. If height of a dam is greater, then automatically water level is going to be increases. बरोबर आहे ना मी म्हणतो ते?
Yes, sir.
भारतातला उंच धरण कुठलं आहे? भाकरा नांगल. ओके, तर अशी वेगवेगळ्या हाईटचे धरण असतात. असं नसते की मनात आला आणि 200 मीटर 300 मीटर 400 मीटरचं धरण बांधलं. इट इज नॉट लाईक दॅट. अकॉर्डिंग टू युअर साइट you need to choose the height of the dam. So dams are having different height, and accordingly water levels are also be more or the less, and depending on that particular height, we need to choose whether the head is high, means water level is at high level, or medium level, or low level. And that particular water level means it's a head. The water level ची जी height आहे, that height is nothing but the head. And discharge means whatever water is available. आता head जर जास्त असेल, height जर जास्त असेल, तर most of the time discharge is also more. Okay, and depending on that, there are 3 parts or 3 subtypes of the turbine. One is a high head, second one is the medium head, and third one is a low head. Okay, these are the 3 types depending on the head and discharge of water available. Third thing, according to position of the shaft. आता याच्यामध्ये या टर्बाइनचा जो शाफ्ट आहे, जर माझा हाताचा हा जर पाम, ओके, हे जर माझी हाईट असेल, सॉरी, ही जर लँड असेल, कॅन यू सी माय हँड?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And if the shaft is in this way parallel to the land ला जर ती पॅरलल असेल, ओके, तर त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? हॉरिझॉन्टल शाफ्ट. What we are calling it as? Horizontal shaft. When the shaft is parallel to the land. Okay, and when shaft of your turbine is in this way perpendicular to the land, then such turbines are known as a vertical turbine. Okay, so depending on the position of the shaft, there are 2 subtypes. One is the horizontal and second one is the vertical. And third type is according to the name of inventors. So you might have seen and experienced. तुम्हाला माहित असेल की बऱ्याच वेळा बरेचसे शोध जी लोक लावतात त्या शोधाच्या नावाने त्या शोधाला त्या व्यक्तींच्या नावाने ओळखलं जातं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल रमन इफेक्ट, न्यूटन्स लॉ, Avogadro's number. These people have invented that particular invention, and that's why that inventions are known by their names. त्यांच्या नावाने आपण त्या गोष्टीला ओळखतो. म्हणजे डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड म्हणजे टेम्परेचर मोजायचं परिमाण सेल्सिअस नावाच्या एका माणसाने शोधून काढलं म्हणून त्याला आपण सेल्सिअस म्हणतो. इन अ सेम वे turbines, different types of the turbines are invented by these people, and according to their names the turbines are known by the names of Pelton, Francis and Kaplan. पेल्टॉननी जे टर्बाइन शोधून काढलं त्याला नाव दिलं पेल्टॉन व्हील. फ्रान्सिसनी जे टर्बाइन शोधून काढलं त्याला नाव दिलं फ्रान्सिस व्हील और ओनली फ्रान्सिस टर्बाइन. आणि कॅपलाननी जे टर्बाइन शोधून काढलं त्याला नाव दिलं कॅपलान टर्बाइन. हॅव यू अंडरस्टूड इट?
Yes, sir.
So turbines are mainly classified in 3 categories. One, based on its head and discharge of water available. Second one, according to position of the shaft. And third is according to name of the inventors. Okay, so I request you, without wasting much of time, you will have to copy it down in your notebook immediately. I will clear the markings and you will have to write this particular classification in your notebook. Do it fast. Roll number 3. According to head and discharge, according to position of shaft, and according to name of the inventors. According to head and discharge, high, medium and low head. According to position of shaft, horizontal and vertical. And according to name of inventors, Pelton, Francis and Kaplan. So have you written the classification?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So friends,
Yes,
today
sir.
we have learned about the introductory part of the turbine and its classification. Tomorrow we will start with the first type of the turbine, which is nothing but the Pelton wheel turbine. We will see construction, working of this Pelton wheel turbine in tomorrow's lecture. So time being, thank you very much for being with me. Have a nice day. Enjoy the evening. Bye-bye.